Bruxism. Have you ever woken up with a sore jaw or a dull headache, not knowing why? You might be grinding your teeth in your sleep, and this condition is called bruxism. It often goes unnoticed until the signs start to show up in your teeth, jaw, or sleep patterns. Let's look at the common signs and symptoms of bruxism. Increased tooth sensitivity. Worn down or flattened teeth. Jaw pain or stiffness. Morning headaches. Clicking or popping sounds in the jaw joints. Trouble sleeping or feeling unrested. Drooling of saliva. So, what causes bruxism? Bruxism is primarily caused by the involuntary clenching or grinding of teeth, often triggered by various physical, emotional, or psychological factors like stress and anxiety, anger and frustration, sleep disorders like sleep apnea, lifestyle factors like caffeine and alcohol, neurodevelopmental disorders like autism, gastroesophageal reflux disease. How can you manage it? Now, the good news is bruxism is manageable. First, by managing stress, which includes practicing yoga, deep breathing, journaling, meditation. Cut down on stimulants like coffee, alcohol, or energy drinks. Visit your dentist regularly to get a customized night guard and maintain a correct, comfortable bite. Get your personalized night guard from your dentist. This is her night guard. She will wear it every night to prevent chipping, nighttime grinding and shifting from happening to her teeth. Correcting the bite. Bruxism might seem harmless at first, but over time, it can lead to serious dental problems. If you notice any signs, don't ignore them. Early care can prevent long-term damage. Talk to your dentist. Protect your smile. Stay aware, stay healthy, keep smiling.